Let's make some ham pies. Crunchy, delicious apple ham pies. First thing we're gonna do is peel our apples. It's preference. So peel your apples if you want to, if you don't. Then dice them up into cubes, about 4 apples. And then you're gonna take about 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup cinnamon, and then 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce. Yes, I'm using caramel sauce. Who cares? I'm a father of 3 and I work full time, and this is just for fun. Also, I'm not making the puff pastry, so who cares if I don't make the caramel sauce? So roll out your puff pastry just a little bit, 1/4 inch thick, cut it in half, and then kind of create fourths out of it to make about 8, wait a minute, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pies, right? Just fold them over just to make some indentations so that when you slice it, you have a straight line, right? So I'm folding it over, bring it back, and then I'll cut it. Now, get a little egg wash so that it sticks, and then spread the egg wash on the puff pastry. Then put a little bit of filling. It's up to you, but whatever you can fit in there. So this is about 8, little cubes of apple, So if anything, maybe go a little smaller on the cubes. This is my first time making this, so let's have some fun with it. Then you take a fork, make a little indentations, kind of help the dough stick together, and then it also looks good on presentation. So you want to put little holes in so the air escapes. Put some egg wash, then a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Bake at 375 degrees until golden brown. Really, it takes about 8 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Turn the little light on in the oven. Alright, just keep looking at it. Look at that. It should look like that. Nice and sexy. You hear that? Then top it with a little powdered sugar, and you're good to go. Ham pies, baby. Let's eat.